In this multiple choice question, we look into the reaction of an alkene with HBr, and the key word here is to look at the major product. So that's a common trap that you need to be careful about. So the question is about the major product of propene with HBr. Now, propene is an unsymmetrical alkene. So propene has got 3 carbons. So if I just show hydrogen in this way. Now, this is a double bond. On this particular double bond, this carbon has got 2 hydrogen atoms, whereas this carbon only has 1 hydrogen atom. Therefore, this is an example of an unsymmetrical alkene. If it is an unsymmetrical alkene, the addition reaction is such that the hydrogen of that molecule of the adding HBr will go to the carbon atom which has more hydrogen atoms. So that means in the first case, the hydrogen would attach itself to that carbon which has got more hydrogen. So in that means in one of these options, you need to check which one has got CH3 on both ends. So the first one is not there, the second, no. The third one has got CH3 on both ends, and it leads with a positive in the middle. That means they're talking about an intermediate, the carbocation that is formed in this reaction. So the answer in this case is C, because you're looking at the major product.